So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Dishwasher Express 60 light blinking, fast reset and error code guide. So fix 1 is hard reset the dishwasher. Unplug the dishwasher or turn off the dedicated circuit breaker. Leave the power off for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the control board memory. Restore power to the dishwasher. Check if the blinking issue persists after restoring power. Second fix is check for a stuck button. Turn off the dishwasher firmly. Press each button on the control panel one by one. Check for any button that are physically stuck or jammed. If buttons are unresponsive or the error persists, consider servicing the panel or touchpad. Third fix is verify the water supply. Ensure the water supply valve under the sink is fully on. Inspect the water inlet valve at the back or bottom of the dishwasher for clogs. Check that the hose connected to the dishwasher is not kinked. Verify incoming water pressure as Samsung dishwasher need adequate pressure to fill the tub efficiently. Fourth fix is clean the door latch. Ensure the door shut and click firmly. Clean the door hooks and latch assembly inside the door frame. Remove any debris or stuck food from the latch area. Thanks for watching.